Sometimes building your house can lead problem to others. You have heard rightly. Today's our story is all about this. One calf fell down in one pit at one construction site. Our team has reached here. Calf is standing inside of this muddy pit. One by one, our two team members jumped in this pit with one rope. Our team members asked to this house owner that how all this happened. House owner told us all this happened during night time. Our team members started to tie this calf with the help of rope. But calf was moving here and there. Somehow one rope has been tied on this calf's stomach. Then second rope has been given to our team members. In our side there is no cow shelter. Cows are roaming here and there roadside 24 hours for searching their food. According to house owner, no one stays here during night time. So this calf might have fallen in this pit during night time. They tie this second rope too on this calf's stomach. After tying ropes, our team members came out from pit. Now our team members had to pull this calf out with the help of these two ropes. We were having some iron plates. We had to place these plates in this pit. One plate is placed. Now second plate is being placed. Both plates have been placed. Now our team members will start to pull this calf out. Our team members are pulling this calf out. This calf was quite heavier, but his bed is not going to stop us at all. We kept on trying to pull him out. For a moment, we thought this calf will again fall down, but it didn't happen because calf was tied properly. Here you can see calf is coming out. After a lot of efforts of our team, calf has been rescued. Here calf can be seen moving properly. Calf is safe and sound. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for getting more this kind of videos.